Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, in our previous class, we have discussed about the heredity and the variation. We know the transmission of the characteristic features from parents to offspring is called the heredity, and the variation is the differences in the characters among the individuals of a species is called the variation. So in the genetics we study about the variation and the heredity. So children, why the variation is very important? So the accumulation of the variation is the important for the significance of the variation shows only if it continues to be inherited by the offsprings for several generations, and the great advantage of the variation to a species is that it increases the chance of its survival in a changing environment. So children, these are the important of the variation, and now we are going to start to understand some terminology of the genetics. Some important terms we are using in the genetics is the chromosome. So the chromosome, it is a thread-like structure in the nucleus of a cell formed of DNA which carries the genes. And what do you mean by genes? It is the unit of DNA on chromosome which governs the synthesis of one protein that controls a specific characteristics of an organism. So that the genes are actually unit of heredity which transfer the characteristic features from parents to their offspring during the reproduction. The third term is a dominant gene. The gene which decide the appearance of an organism even in the presence of an alternative contrasting genes is known as a dominant gene. We can say it is represented by a capital letter. And the recessive gene, the gene which can decide the appearance of an organism only in the presence of another identical gene, is called the recessive gene, and it is always represented by the small letter. The next term is the genotype. Genotype is the description of genes present in an organism, and the phenotype is the characteristics which is visible in the organism. Like phenotype of the organism look like tall, short is a type of phenotype. And the next term is first filial generation, which is called the F1 generation. When two parents cross to produce offsprings, their offsprings is called the first filial generation or F1 generation. And the next term is second filial generation or F2 generation. When the first generation offspring cross among themselves to produce the second generation offsprings, that this offspring is called the F2 generation or the second filial generation. So children, these are the important terms which we are using in genetics. So learn these terms, and I am sending you PDF of this chapter so you can read the PDF notes. I hope children this topic is clear. Thank you.